Welcome to the Power BI Reports training in MasterCare Plus. This session will guide you through using interactive dashboards to monitor data, track performance, and make informed decisions. Let's take a look at reporting features. First up is the audit log. This report allows you to track system activity by filtering based on staff members, event types, and specific features within a selected date range. It's a helpful way to monitor system usage and maintain accountability across your teams. Next, we have client team reports and client staff reports. These provide insights into new, active and closed clients by staff member or team within a date range. Once filtered, you can easily export this data as a CSV file for further analysis or reporting outside the system. Here is the sample data that you will see while using the Client Reports feature. We also offer reports related to financials, including the Client Debtors Report. The Receivable Invoice Summary. And the Receivable Invoice Detail. These reports can be filtered by service, program, funding type, or date range. You can hover over the tables and click on more options to export them. Use the Spotlight tool to drill into specific data points and apply filters to refine what you see. In the Appointments module, there's a dedicated Power BI report that offers a detailed view of appointment activity across your teams. This visual report helps track booking trends, cancellations, and staff utilization. If you'd like to explore additional reporting capabilities, or if you need customized Power BI dashboards, please contact your account manager for more information.